Hey everyone, today we're changing the engine oil on a Toyota Wish. Whether you're saving money, learning DIY car care, or just love getting hands-on, this guide will make it easy. First, let's get everything ready. You will need a new engine oil, usually 5W30 for most Toyota Wish models, a new oil filter, an oil drain pan, a socket wrench and a torque wrench, oil filter wrench, funnel, gloves, and rugs. Before we start, like and subscribe if you love DIY car maintenance videos. Run the engine for 2 to 3 minutes, switch it off, and pop the hood. Then if you cannot slide under the car, lift it up using any hydraulic jack or a screw jack to have enough space and locate the drain plug. Place the drain pan underneath. Use your socket wrench to loosen the plug. Then remove it by hand. Watch out, the oil will come out quickly and could be hot. While the oil is draining, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, dab a little fresh oil on the rubber gasket. This helps it seal better. Then screw it, no need to over tighten. Once the oil has fully drained, reinstall and tighten the drain plug. Then pour the new engine oil through the filler cap. Most Toyota Wish models take about 3.7 to 4 liters, but always check your dipstick to avoid overfilling. After that, remove the jacks to make it level on the ground for the oil level checking. Start the engine and let it run for 30 seconds and then switch it off and recheck the oil level and top up if needed. And that's how you change the oil on a Toyota Wish. Do this every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers depending on your driving style, and your engine will thank you. Like and subscribe for more DIY car care tips.